Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your no internet connection available in your TikTok app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, to share this video with your friends and family. And now we will simply just dive into our video. So you're just going and opening your TikTok and you're just like swiping, and suddenly your app shows that the internet connection is not available. Then what you have to do is obviously make sure to check your connection over here. If you're in Wi-Fi connection, if your Wi-Fi is like going off and on in between, then that could be one of the reasons. Simply switch to your mobile data instead and you can use it. And sometimes if you're in your mobile data, check if your network connection of your SIM card is available enough there or not. That is not the problem. Then what you will do is simply go to your TikTok and simply reinstall your app, because sometimes it happens because your app starts to work a little slow. Or you can go to this clear cache option over here and simply clear your cache from your app. Then you can go back and once again go to your Play Store or apps, check if your app is updated or not as well. Simply search over here. As you can see, my app is updated over here. It shows open option over there. Then that means there's nothing wrong with app itself. So yeah, this is how you can simply solve your problem. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.